Okay, second game. This is the battle between OSPS and PSEFP. First fight. First ball of PSEFP. Number 21. Leaving the ball. Pass to number 16. Pinalik sa number 21 for 3. 3 points by number 21. Rebound by number 30. Pass break. Steal by number 01 to number 94. No good. Rebound by number 68 to number 21. Pass to number 30. Binawag ang bola. Binalik sa number 21. 14 to shoot. Stepping in the line. Number 68 to number 21. Pinalik sa number 68 to number 30 sa gitna. Nabitawan. Nakuha ni steal by number 15. Easy layup by number 15. 2 points. Number 16. 14 to shoot. Still ulit ni number 01 to number 62 to number 94 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 16. Rebound by number 18. Pass break to number 01. Layup. 2 points. Number 21. De La Torre. Dribbling the ball. 14 to shoot. Pinas sa ilalim. Turnover. Blue ball. Number 62 to number 94, nabitawan, nakuha niya ulit. Tinera sa 3, no good. Rebound by number 26 to number 21, nabitawan. Turnover. Number 62 to number 94. Tumira ulit ang 3. No good pa rin. Rebound by number 18. Tumira ulit ng 3. 2 points by number 18. Score 7-3. Lamang ang manang blue. Number 21. De La Torre. Dribbling the ball. 14 to shoot. Nice pass to number 6. Pull up. No good. Number 94, Dinerecho layup, 2 points with number 94. Number 16, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 21, De La Torre. 14 to shoot. To number 25, binalik sa number 21, De La Torre for 3, no good, masyado last, rebound by number 62, to number 01. To number 94 sa ilalim, libre, no good, nakuha ni number 62, to number 94. Tumira ng 3, no good, short. 8 to shoot, 2 points by number 01. Number 68, steal by number 62, to number 01, pull up, no good, rebound ni number 30. Pass break to number 25, 2 points. Change 5. Rebound by number 35 to number 16, moving the ball to number 68, 14 to shoot. Number 68 for 3, no good. Rebound by number 18, 2 points. Number 11 to number, pinalik sa number 11. To number 94, nabitawan, nakuha ulit na number 94, 5 seconds to shoot. Rebound by number 16, pinababa bola to number 18, pass to number 16, fade, pinasa ulit sa number 16, short, rebound by number 24, to number 08, to number 94 for 3, short pa rin. Rebound by number 60. Pinababang bola, pass to number 68. Number 68, 10 seconds to shoot. To number 18, Pinarecho, blocked by number 12. Same ball. 8 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Shot clock violation. Turnover. Number 94 for 3, no good. Rebound ni number 08. Number 08 to number 11 to number 94, sinalaksak, pull up, 2 points by number 94. Number 16, dribbling the ball, pass to number 18 sa gitna, to number 04, to number 35, steal by number 24, to number 08, to number 94, layup, no good. Rebound by number 18, number 16. Pass to number 35. Nilabas sa number 04, tumira, short. Rebound by number 24. Number 08, libre. 2 points. Turnover, blue ball. Number 11 to number 94. Fade. Sinalaksak. 2 points by number 94. Munti ka na. Nakuha ni number 16. Naghanap ng mapapasahan. Pass to number 16. 18 to number 04, Pinera, no good. Foul. Foul number 44.
Wala namang 44 ah. Sa
Number 04 pala yung foul. First personal foul, first team foul. Number 94 for 3, no good. Rebound by number 35 to number 18. Pass to number 16. Dribbling the ball. Tumira ng 3 points by number 16. Time remaining 1 minute in the first quarter. Number 11 to number 94. Tumira ng 3 points by number 94. Sagutan ng 3 points ang labanan. Number 68 ulit. Tumira ng 3. Short. Nakuha ni 35. Tinira. No good. 9 seconds to shoot. Foul number 24. First personal foul. Second team foul.
hindi ko alam paano dito sa kapila.
Time remaining 31 seconds. No good ulit. 0 of 2. Tipan ulit number 68. Counted foul by number 68. Foul number 11. Bonus free throw. Basket. Seconds. Ten seconds. 5. End of the first quarter. With a score of 20-13 in favor of OSPS. Back to the ball game. Second quarter. Blue ball. Uniform. Number 21. Dilato, dribbling the ball. Naghanap ng mapapasa. To number 13, layup, no good. Rebound by number 18. Number 18 to number 2 points by number 45. Second shot clock. 10 to shoot. 5. Rebound by 21, De La Torre to number 25. Layup, no good. Number 01, layup, basket. Nice pass sa ilalim. 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 21 for 3, malakas. Rebound by number 01. 2 points by number 45.
Okay. Number 17. 77.
Number 45 to number 01. Pull up, no good. Foul number 77, pushing foul, first personal foul, first team foul. De La Torre to number 68. Traveling violation, turnover. Number 45 to number 77. 10 seconds to shoot. Foul number 25. First personal foul, first team foul. Number 45. 10 seconds to shoot. To number 01. Steal by number 06. Delay out. Basket count by number 06. Foul number 45.
Okay, 06 ang
Lakas
titira.
yun.
45.
Foul number 45.
Sana nakashoot sa pag-isip pa.
No good ang bonus play throw. Ibang by number number 62. Naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Number 18. 10 seconds to shoot. Ibang by number 68. Pinasa kay number 30. Number 30 to number
30.
foul number 30. First personal foul, second team foul. Same ball. Number 62. Nabitawan nakuha ni Nako, ulit na number 62, nilayap, no good, rebound ni 01. Number 01. 8 seconds to shoot. Nice pass to number 18. No good, pero may foul. Change 5.
Number 30, dalawa na.
Foul number 30, second personal foul. Third team foul. Basket na unang free throw by number 18.
Tawag ng free throw.
Very good. To number 04. Hinaras. Nice pass. 2 points by number 18. Sabi yung nag-free throw.
Yung nag-free throw lang sir,
Hindi,
pinalitan.
nag-free throw yun
Yung nag-free
eh.
throw.
Ang sumod.
Apat lang napalitan kanina eh. Oo. Kanina free throw yun.
Free throw, hindi nag-mintis.
Ay, oo.
Number 94 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 18. Nag-aagawan. Blue ball. 14 second shot lang. Number 94 for 3. No good. Lumabas. Save ball. 12 seconds to shoot. Number 11. 10 seconds. No good. Rebound by number 18. Pass to number 68. Number 68. 13 to shoot. 10. Steal by number 08. 2 points by number 08. Number 16. Dribbling the ball. Tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by number 94. 2 points.
Ah, sige sir.
Seven seconds to shoot. 5. Good. Time out. PSEFP. 2 points by number 94.
Lagi naman pinagpapasay. Pero pag-anin,
Number 16 to number 15. Pinalik ulit sa number 16. Tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by number 12. Number 94, sumalaksak. Nilayap. 2 points by number 94. Basket count pa. Foul number 04. Number 04, second personal foul. 14 foul. Bonus free throw, no good. Rebound by number 18 to number 16. Sumalaksak ni layup, 2 points by number 16. Number 11, dribbling the ball. Pinababa bola to number 12, layup, no good. Rebound by number 16. Foul by number 12. Number 12, first personal foul. 13 foul. Number 16, dribbling the ball. 14 seconds shot clock. Number 16 for 3. No good, pero may foul. Foul number 15. First personal foul. 14 foul. Second throw. Basket ulit. Third throw. 3 of 3 by number 16. Number 11 to number 94. Number 94 to Miniscate. 13 seconds shot clock. Tinira, no good. Rebound by number. Nakuha ni number 12. Nakuha ulit ni number 35. Steal by number 15 to number 94. Pinakas sa ilalim sa number 12. Tinira, no good. Rebound by number 16. Number 16, nagmamadali. Tumira, kasa palayan sa number 18, fake, binalik sa number 04 to number 18, fake ulit, tinira, no good, rebound by number 12. 50 seconds, time remaining. Number 94, fake, sinalaksak, 2 points by number 94. Number 16, tumira ng 3. Short, rebound by number 11. 30 seconds. Number 94 for 3. 3 points by number 94. 20 seconds. 15. 10 seconds. Number 968 for 3 points. End of the second quarter. With a score of 40-25 in favor of OSPS.
2 minutes. Para maaga tayo picture. Sino pwede makipicture? Picture mo muna kami. Papapicture na ako. Sasama siya eh. Sino kaya? Galing pa. Edwin! Edwin! Picture mo kami. Ayan na pala, meron. Edwin. Okay na. Huwag na. Picture. Thank you.
Pinapanalo na lang kami tapos ano na.
Alam na. Panalo na kayo. Papayan.
Okay, back to the ball game, third quarter. Number 21, De La Torre, napitawan. Nakuha number 08 to number 68 for 3 points. Ano ka? 3 points by number 68. Number 45 to number 18 for 3 points by number 18. Number 21. 10 seconds to shoot. To number 60 is for 3. No good. Rebound by number 18 to number 45. Pass break. Layup. 2 points. Number 08. Pinasa gitna sa number 21. Pull up. No good. Rebound by number 30. Binalik sa number 21 ulit. No good. Number 45. Dinerecho. No good. Nakuha ni number 18. 2 points. Number 21 for 3. No good. Nakuha ulit ni number 30 to number 21 ulit. 7 seconds to shoot. 5. Number 68 for 3 short. Rebound ni number 11. Pass break to number 45. 2 points. Number 16. Dribbling the ball. To number 30. To number 21. 14 seconds to shoot. Turn back for 3, no good. Rebound by 11 to number 01, layup, no good. Rebound by number 30 to number 21. Pass to number 68. 14 seconds to shoot. Binalik sa number 21, layup, no good. Rebound ni number 18. Pass break ulit. Nabitawan ako niya ulit. Pinasa sa number 01, 2 points. Number 16. 14 seconds to shoot. Dribbling the ball. 10. Blocked by number 62. Rebound by number 06. Nakuha ni number 01. Pass break to number 45. Pull up. No good. Rebound by number 06. Pass to number 25. To number 16. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 68 to number 13, layup, no good. Nakuha ni number 62. To number 45, to number 01, nice pass, pero wala. rebound by number 62. No good pa rin. Nakaulit yung number 45. May sumabit. Foul number 6. First personal foul. First team foul. Fourteen seconds to shoot. Number 45 for 3. No good. Save ball. 12 seconds to shoot. Number 45 pull out, 2 points. Number 16, with the ball. Binababa ang bola. Pass to number, still by number 62 to number 45 ulit. No good, pero may foul. Change 5. Foul number 68. First personal foul, second team foul.
16 labas siya.
Palit daw po yung number 68. Number 68 daw po, sub. Number 68 daw po. Di pa nasa sub.
Sir, kanina pa hindi naglalabas yun.
Hindi pa siya lumalabas.
yun.
Sub daw po yung 45. Number 70. Number 80. Pass to number 06. Pass to number 04. Short. Number 15 to number 94 for 3. 3 points by number 94. Number 14. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 16 to number 06. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 15, Dinerecho, layup, no good, rebound by number 12. May sumabit, foul, number 6. Second personal foul, third team foul. Rebound by number 11. Stepping in the line, turnover. Number 35. number 04, 13 seconds to shoot. Number 16 to number 18. 5 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound by number 06. Pull up. 2 points by number 06. Number 11. Number 15 to number 94. Fade. Pull up. No good. Rebounding. Number 12 to number 94 for 3. Short. Orange ball. Number 06. Pull up. No good. Rebound by number 11. 77. Number 77. Pull up. 2 points by number 77. Blue ball. Number 11. Binababa ang bola. Pass to number 94. 14 seconds shot clock. Number 94, nabitawan. Steal by number 18. Pass play to number 04. To number 06. Traveling violation. Turnover. Time remaining 1 minute. 14 second shot clock. Number 94 for 3. Short. Rebound by number 35. Number 35. Tinas sa lalim sa number 06. Nabitawan. Nakuha na number 04. Pull up. Short. Rebound by number 12. Steal by number 18. Number 18. Third shot. No good. Rebound by number 15 to number 94. Tumira ulit ng 3. Short pa rin. Rebound by number 16. Steal by number 11. To number 94, layup, no good. Stepping on the line. 17 seconds. 10 seconds. 5. End of the third quarter. Okay, back to the ball game. Fourth and final quarter. Lamang pa rin ang OSPS ng 31. Number 94 for 3. 3 points by number 94. Number 21 for 3. Dinawin. 3 points by number 21. De La Torre. Ay, 2 points lang. Ay, 3 points. Still by number 30. Second shot clock. Number 45. Pass to number 18. Layup, no good. Rebound by number 16. Pass to number 06. Hinarangan ng kampe. Pinasa number 21. Pull up, no good. Number 18. Pass to number 11 to number 45. Sumalaksak. No good. Rebound by number 16. Number 16. Pass to number 21 for 3. No good pa rin. Number 94 for 3. Short. Nakuha niya ulit. No good pa rin. Rebound by number 01 to number 45. Pull up. No good. Rebound by number 21. Pass to number 16. Number 16, dribbling the ball. Tumira ng 3, no good. Rebound by number 06, pull up. 2 points by number 06. Number 94 for 3, no good. Rebound by number 01. Turnover, orange ball. Number 06. Number 21 to number 68 for 3. Short. Aray. Napinag siya. Number 01. Dribbling the wall. Pass to number 62. To number 45. Fake. Tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound knee. 45. Pull up. Short. Rebound ulit knee. Number 18. Pass to number 25. Tumira ng 3. 3 points by number 25. Number 68. Pass to number 18. To number 30 sa gitna. Nice pass pero wala. Rebound by number 45. Pass play to number 94. Tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound ni number 62. Binalik sa number 94. Tumira ulit ng 3. No good pa rin. Piniretso na. 2 points by number 94. Number 94 for 3, no good.
Nan, punta ko sa bahay ah.
Two points by number 18. Three free throw by number 21. Foul number 1. 0-1. First personal foul. First team foul.
Tatlo.
Number 01. Pass to number 45. Sinalaksak layup. No good. Rebound ni number 30. Pinapaba ang bola. Dinerecho. Layup. No good pa rin. Rebound by number 45. Pass to number 18. Number 18. Layup. 2 points. Number 25. Natapik. Ako, steal by number 45. Pass to number 94. Fake. Tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by number 45 ulit. To number 01. To number 18 for 3. No good pa rin. Ako ulit na number 01. To number 45. 9 seconds to shoot. 2 points by number 62. Last 3 minutes and 8 seconds. Shot clock violation. Ay basket.
Basket.
Di ko alam. 2 points by number 94. Two points by number 94. Grabe, ang daming score by number 94. Last 2 minutes. 2 points by number 18. Save ball. Three points by number 21, De La Torre.
Sila ni ano, sir.
Tsaka,
Bibigay ko interest
Sino 21? Sana, PSA?
21.
Ay? Ah, best player.
First through basket.
Hindi, apat patatras kasi.
2 points by number 18. Number 16. Binababa bola. Pass to number 21 for 3. 3 points by number 21.
Maiba naman. Ma-inspire naman. Hindi naman natin i-consolation.
Last 1 minute and 10 seconds. Number 94 for 3. No good. Number 21. Tumira ng 3. 3 points. Last 50 seconds.
Babawi.
40 seconds.
Hindi, kanina ginagawa.
Last 30 seconds. Turnover. 22 seconds.
Kaya mo na yung ano ko, ha?
Pre,
Last 10 seconds.
major, to make sure daw lahat ng player nasa tanong.
3 points by number 94. End of the ball game. Congratulations to OSPS.
35 points, pre. Ang rebound natin si Sir.
Defensive sheet.
Dito.
Tapos, ano? 3-7-1.
Sino?
Price.
Bye.
Tapos 21. Price.
Ah, si...
Nakaupada.
Meron pa.
Oh.
Naman nila yun.
Okay, 3, 2. 1, 2. Last one. Okay.
Ay, sir, pito na lang kayo sa
Bola. Bola.
Wala.
Wala pang reels. Hindi, okay na sila eh.
Ay, sorry.
Tubig pa rin to, bigay nila.